house is the very first house made by Cyrus Panel. I developed Cyrus Panel for 10 years, and now that's the result. At this point, we are installing the final roof panels. The good thing about the Cyrus panels are they can be used for walls or floors between the levels, and also as a roof too. So basically we drop the number of building materials to single building material. Just one single Cyrus panel can build the whole house. Today is day 8. Hopefully in 2 to 3 days, a house of 1,000 square feet, about 100 square meter frame and walls and roof will be done. And here it is. It's the very first one. Hopefully we're going to go for wherever people need housing. We are 7.5 billion inhabitants of the world. In 2050, estimated to be 10 billion people. They all need Cyrus panel to use in their house and live comfortably. So be it for the future. The very first house made by Cyrus Panel. Very exciting.